Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you what the trending beauty products are on Alibaba.com in hopes to inspire you if you are stuck on what kind of product you want to sell online. I know a lot of people are just interested in putting out a trending product, so I thought I would stick with my target audience. I know you guys are probably more interested in the beauty side of things, so here are some beauty products that I think would be great for you to start selling using Alibaba.com. I'm going to take you into my screen right now and I'm going to talk you through all of the trending products within that sector. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel and let's get straight to it. So here we're inside Alibaba.com, and Alibaba.com is a marketplace for you to then resell items that are sold at a very cheap price because you buy them in larger amounts, and then you resell them on a website of yours and make money from the profit. I like to use Alibaba for a lot of the hair tools that I sell on my website, and today I'm going to show you guys how you can find what's actually trending. So here is Alibaba.com's homepage, and then what I would do is I'd go to the category section here and look for whatever category I'm interested in. Hence we're going to go for beauty and personal care, which takes us to this page here. And as you can see, there's K-beauty, there are lashes, nail supplies, a whole bunch of different kind of products here. We've got actual makeup as well. We've got selected products, and now here are the top ranking products. So if we go to view more, and here are some examples of what is currently trending and top on the rankings. So we can see a lot of lashes. This is within the eyelash extensions section. We've got fashion accessories, caps, bags and cases, but this is actually customized to me because of things that I've searched for in the past. So I'm going to go back here and go to the top and look to see what's trending. So here we have the current trends, so fashion trends, and we can see here there's a lot of lashes again, hair extensions, we've got brightening toothpaste, we have reusable sanitary products, wigs, a lot of lashes and wigs. As a entrepreneur, I see so many hair and lash companies, so you can tell, and lip gloss, you can tell that these are really trending products, and a product that you'll probably be able to make good money from because they are always on demand. So if I was in the beauty sector and I'm looking for a product to sell via Alibaba with Alibaba.com, I'd definitely look into the lash and the lip gloss and hair sector. But you also really want to make sure that you test out everything. So here we have a list of premium suppliers, and I can see here how many years they've been running and that they're verified also. Here we've got 13, 7 years, 9 years. I'm going to go for lashes, so let's just see if there's any more lashes. 2 years, there one is 11 years. They've been doing lashes for 11 years. Let's check these people out. So this is their company profile page, and here they've got different products. So they do packages, strip lashes, they do even tools. So if you were actually wanting to just stick with one supplier for your whole business, a supplier like this would be great because they do the packaging, they do the tools, they do the lashes, and they do the extensions. So if you just want to start off with lashes, it would be great to go with them because at least if the lashes do well, you know that you can stick with this same supplier and use them to get all of the extra products that you may want to introduce to your business in the future. So let's just look at the strip false lashes. Now here is when we can look through all of their products, and we can see that they have a lot. Now, I'm not an expert on lashes, so I wouldn't even know where to begin. But they do mink lashes, individuals. And if you check out my last Alibaba.com videos, you will see, I'll leave them on the screen and down below, but you will know how to actually contact these suppliers and gain samples from them, because that would be the next step for you to do. You would contact the supplier, ask for some samples, get the samples sent to you, and then make your decision, and then make your first ever purchase and shipment from Alibaba.com. So there we have lashes. Let's check out something else that is also trending. So let's have a look at that. They've 15 years, and I think it is actual cosmetics. Yeah, so they actually do cosmetics, so makeup, eye makeup, nail polish. Let's look at the nail products. So again, this supplier, as you can see, they do different packaging. They do Christmas packaging, customization. So if you wanted to customize the packaging with your logo and so on, they're able to do that. Let's look at their cosmetic sets as well. So they actually do makeup sets, and this is more like private label. So you already buy the makeup and you just simply change what's on the packaging and put it as your brand. So you're not making your own makeup, the makeup's already been made, but you're just putting your name on it. We also have on here, you can even on Alibaba.com buy equipment. So if you have a salon, if you have a skincare clinic, you can buy all of your equipment also from Alibaba.com too. So it's not just for products that you're going to be buying and selling on, it can also be products that you're going to be buying to use in your business. Now, a lot of people are actually selling natural oils too, so you can see that they actually have these oils that you can buy from Alibaba also. And as mentioned in my course and in my past Alibaba.com videos, I recommend that you definitely get a sample to try out these types of cosmetics as well, and just test it on your skin and other people's skin types, just to make sure that there's no allergic reactions or things that may be a cause of concern. So that is simply how you can look on Alibaba.com and find what is trending within the industry and see different types of products in different sectors. I'll just show you quickly what other categories they have. So we've got machinery, lighting, home, furniture, packaging and printing. Great for entrepreneurs if you need custom packaging for your business. We've got equipment, sports, luggage, pretty much everything you can think of. You're able to purchase on Alibaba.com and start your first ever online business. So I hope this video was helpful, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe and check out the links in my description box.